In the US at this current point in time, there is a lot of speculation revolving around the abolishment of Obamacare and the ACA, which could affect millions of individuals and families all over the states. Obamacare helps a lot of people afford medical bills and treatment, and if that were to be abolished, a lot of individuals may suffer. The Republicans plan to replace the ACA with what is being dubbed as Obamacare Lite. Regardless, millions of people will not be able to afford health care if Trump decides to remove the funding for the ACA. Therefore, in such uncertain political change, it is very important to have a good health insurance broker, especially if you live in Carlsbad. This article will explain the reasons why you need to have a health insurance agent by your side so you reduce the risk of becoming a victim of the changing laws. Low-cost Carlsbad health insurance plans will be harder to find. You should think of health insurance in Carlsbad, California, as an investment. Even though plans can be a little bit expensive, you will probably end up spending more if you do not have health insurance. This is going to be even truer when Trump and the Republicans remove the health benefits that lower-income families receive, and make the health insurance you and your family use more expensive. There are still small group health insurance plans which are used by Carlsbad businesses to protect their employees and dependents. These plans allow you to insure more than one individual at a potentially reduced fee. Carlsbad insurance companies also have a load of other plans that make them flexible and personal, so you can find a plan that matches your needs and budget. Will preventive care still be covered by the health insurance plans? A lot of Carlsbad people use their health insurance for regular checkups and appointments to see if they are well. Through this, you can help identify illnesses and problems before they turn into something more serious. By getting health insurance in Carlsbad, you can significantly reduce your risk of future problems through regular checkups and diagnostic checks. There have also been recent studies that have found the physical and mental well-being of individuals with health insurance is higher than that of the average uninsured person. It will cost a lot more to get an annual checkup without insurance, especially if the new healthcare changes come into action. The impact on everyone of not having health insurance. Not having Carlsbad health insurance can also affect the individuals around you, not just yourself. Uninsured individuals will put off seeing a doctor for an illness or injury until it is in need of emergency care. When this happens, they can use the emergency room and get quick assistance from the doctors on hand. The doctors in hospitals in Carlsbad will often not get paid for these services and, as a result, they will increase their prices in the future to make up for the financial loss. If you are insured, your health insurance premiums will be increased to encompass the increased charges the hospitals will want from the health insurance companies. The importance of having an experienced health insurance broker in California. Health insurance services in Carlsbad are essential and will provide you with the help you need. As political change occurs in the states, it may be essential for you to get some health insurance to make sure you and your family are protected if anything were to happen. If the Republicans change the system, you may have to pay significantly more money than you would have before, and a good insurance broker in Carlsbad will actually save you money in the long term. Through the above points, having health insurance has its advantages, and having an experienced health insurance broker in Carlsbad is vital.